I'm HVAC Repair Guy, and I spent over 17 years in the field as an installer, service technician, and contractor after serving as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are comparing two top-tier variable speed heat pump systems, the Costway HCST09081 and the Arcoaire Ion 23 model H5H3V. Both manufacturers install factory compressor sound blankets to reduce operational noise. The Costway HCST09081 has a respectable 9.0 HSPF heating seasonal performance factor. The Arcoaire Ion 23 achieves an impressive 12.0 HSPF rating, making it very efficient for winter operation. That higher HSPF means the Arcoaire extracts heat more efficiently in cold weather, saving you money on winter electric bills. As heat pumps, both systems also reverse the cycle to provide cooling in summer. Both units use true variable speed compressors and variable speed condenser fan motors. Variable speed technology continuously modulates compressor speed in micro adjustments instead of flipping between fixed outputs. This precise capacity matching delivers superior indoor temperature consistency and improved dehumidification in summer. Variable speed operation also reduces electrical stress during startup, extending equipment life. The Costway operates at a sound rating of 57 decibels, about a quiet office or normal conversation. The Arcoaire operates as low as 55 decibels, roughly equivalent to quiet rainfall or a dishwasher in the next room. Costway imports its equipment from China, while Arcoaire is manufactured in the USA by International Comfort Products, a Carrier subsidiary. Costway equipment can be bought online for roughly $3,300 to $3,600 with total installation around $6,000 to $9,000. Arcoaire Ion 23 requires a licensed dealer, and total installed pricing generally ranges from $9,000 to $14,000 or more. Warranty coverage differs greatly. Costway offers a 5-year parts and compressor warranty with no unit replacement coverage. Arcoaire provides 10-year parts and compressor warranties plus a 10-year no-hassle unit replacement warranty for major component failures. My recommendation is the Arcoaire Ion 23 because its 12.0 HSPF, US manufacturing, doubled warranty coverage, and unit replacement backup make it a superior long-term investment.